Hello traders, I hope you had a wonderful day today, and today is the 2nd of March, Tuesday 2021, and I would like to share with you today's my best analysis and the best trade of the day. And let's dig into the system and let's see how we analyze market today and bank beautiful pips. All right, so just to recap, traders, these are the intraday analyses alongside with the 4-hour analysis with the live audio commentary support. And I analyze market twice a day just before London Open and the New York session, and all of my live analysis instantly available, recording available in the training session for the educational purpose and for the members who join later. And also all this analysis instantly broadcast at the same time in the analysis section, and once the opportunity is raised based on those analyses, I broadcast that information instantly through live audio commentary. So and also broadcast that updates analysis update in the analysis section. So technically we trading live alongside with our professional trader, and we discuss all that opportunity alongside fundamental events. You can see here all that informations. So we just keep an eye, and based on that we look at the technical, and then we intraday analysis instantly broadcast, and that's what we help all the traders in real time. All right, so let's dig into the three major pair, the opportunities we discussed yesterday, and let's see how the market behave accordingly. Okay, so Euro USD, if you look at the Euro USD, let's move on to the 4-hour. Okay, so 4-hour yesterday, as I mentioned you guys, that if the price is going to break this consolidation, as I mentioned you that yesterday, the inside candle pattern was developed and consolidation, and you can see here price broken. We had a beautiful short trade and price nicely hit 120,000 and then reverse. So we also taken both short and long, and let me share with you those analysis. Go to the results, and you can see here this is the analysis I broadcast yesterday as soon as I finished my recording for my traders for the Asian session. You can see this was the breakout short trade from here, beautiful pips, and afterwards I did another analysis at the New York session, because at that time the market wasn't there still, market was bearish. So at the New York session I did another analysis. So look for breakout, because we're watching in 4-hour, and I explained to my traders. Let me make it slightly bigger so you can see it. So you can see here this was the pretty straightforward breakout, because most of the explanation we give through live audio commentary, which is I can explain to you now. And based on the momentum, breakout and beautiful, as you can see, this was our final target, which price nicely hit the final target. As you can see here, the price is right now is reversing it at this level. Okay, so explanation we give it to the trader. That's the look, if the price could not maintain this level, this is pure price action, price develop a false breakout, that's the good sign. And once we see the rejection, and then we need a, if you look at here, this is the wedge has been developed, but intraday we have a more clear picture. You can see here, this was the picture, you can see here, and beautiful breakout based on the momentum. And we explained to trader, as long as the price gonna stay above this orange EMA, we're gonna keep holding that trade as soon as we don't see any sign of rejection. You can see here that was the final target, by the way. As you can see here, price nicely developed and beautiful counter trade. We had a both short trade and bank beautiful pip based on the momentum, and then counter long trade both. So what's the tomorrow? We're looking here, we have this level, which price almost hitting 121,000 level, and we have this level. So we're expecting another pullback, short trade here, and if we see the price reject and develop pull back this level, then we're going to be keep taking a pullbacks short trade here, and if the price going to break, then probably taking a long trade here. So as I said to you guys, we analyze market through intraday. So based on the intraday, price might gonna hit this level, and you can see here this is the level previously broken, And also you can see here that's the level previously respected price. So we're looking another possibility of pullback long, and we might gonna squeeze few more pips as long as the price stay above the orange EMA. And if the price gonna break and retest, give us the confirmation, then probably going to be taking a short trade. So we'll let you know tomorrow. As far as 4 hour, we can see here the price basically at least is going to hit this level possibility. If not, and if the price develop another beautiful pattern in intraday, we're going to trade accordingly. All right, so let's move on to the pound dollar, and let's see in 4 hour. As I mentioned you yesterday about the pound dollar, we had this price was at this level. As I mentioned you that if the price is going to break at this level, probably going to be taking a short trade here. And we took a short trade here afterwards when the price developed bullish engulfing candle. Price nicely respected this support level. So then we also took a long trade here based on the analysis. So this is what we did. And let me share you this analysis. Let me move it this bit here. Yesterday we did this analysis. You can see here around, yeah, that's the analysis once I finish my recording. This was the breakout trade. You can see price nicely broken, beautiful short trade here. And we did another analysis this morning. We can see here when the price developed head and shoulder pattern, we had another beautiful counter long trade here, but afterwards the price reversed. So we instantly update another pattern. We explain to trader bearish flag pattern is developed. You can see here beautiful breakout. Being an intraday trader, as long as the momentum bearish, beautiful short trade here. Then, as I said to you guys, I analyze market at the New York time. And at that time, you can see here 1400 GMT. I explained to my trader, if the price is going to break this previous low, then probably going to be taking a short trade here. Otherwise, based on the momentum, we're going to be holding long. As you can see here, from here to here, how many pullbacks? 1, 2, 3, 4 pullbacks in intraday system. You can see here, let me explain to you. As we mentioned about this line, so you can see here, as long as the price stay above that, orange EMA, and you pull back one, we have breakout, pull back 1, 2, 3, and beautiful pullback long trade on pound dollar. So you can see here, we have materialized both short and long again based on the price action. Once we see the price develop another pattern, we take a long trade here. So right now, what we can see here in pound dollar tomorrow, you can see here price previously respected this level, and let's see, there is a still possibility price might going to hit 140,000 area. That's the level, and we're going to keep an eye on this level. If the price stay below that and respect, probably going to see the nice pullback short trade here. And if the price going to break this level, then probably going to be taking a pullbacks. As I said to you that we always look at an intraday, system. You can see here that we have taken all this pullback. So right now, if you look at here, the price nicely respected these levels previously, this level. So we have another wedge has been developed. So you can see here another beautiful triangle pattern is developed. For the safest trade, for the counter, we always look for break and retest. Give us the confirmation. Every time when we go against the trend and momentum, we need a confirmation. Then probably going to be short trade here. Otherwise, we're going to keep taking a pullback. As long as the momentum is bullish, we can see still price might going to hit 140,000 area. So that's why we look at in a high time frame or price action. And then we look at an intraday, as we mentioned here. As soon as the price develop this bullish engulfing candle, it's good sign. You can see here price broken. Then we look at entry, and that's why we did this analysis at that time, and that's what exactly we taken a bank beautiful pips. And I also did this analysis for now. Look for this breakout opportunity, right? So this is what exactly we're looking into it, and I'll keep you updated tomorrow about the pound dollar CAD. Let's move to the 4 hour. Let's see what's happened here. Yesterday, if you remember, as I mentioned you, if the price is going to respect this level, then probably going to be taking a long trade here. Otherwise, I also mentioned yesterday to you guys that we are looking at pullback here, long here. So we also taken this one, bank beautiful pips, and then we also taken a short trade here, pullbacks, beautiful pips, both as it being an intraday, as I mentioned you here. All right, so let's see the all the analysis for the dollar CAD. Let me make it slightly bigger. Okay, so yesterday, as I mentioned you, the price developed this downside channel, which as I mentioned you guys, and I can see here we had a breakout. After the breakout, we had two beautiful pullbacks. That's basically I'm talking about from here to here, this journey. And then we had another beautiful pullback, perform beautiful. We have taken a maximum benefit from here to here. Let me put this color so at least I can explain to you guys. From here, so from here to here. So we have taken all the benefits you can see here in previous long, and then we have taken all this pullback long here. As soon as the market develop another pattern, we just broadcast instantly. So we have taken this breakout, all these pullbacks. And at the New York session, you can see here when the price reversing it, as you can see from this journey to until this one. We did another analysis. You can see here pretty straightforward. And then we explained to trader if the price gonna break this level, then long. Otherwise, if the price gonna break this pattern, then we're gonna keep taking a short trade here because we're watching in 4 hours. So based on that, you can see here price broken and pullback and pullbacks and bank beautiful pips. And afterwards, price nicely reverse, as you can see here right now. So let me clean this one. And right now what we're looking here, as I mentioned you about this pullback. So right now, if the price gonna stay above that level, then I'm expecting a pullback long here. And if the price develop a pullback short here, then probably going to be taking a pullback short here. So again, as I said to you, we analyze instantly through intraday system here. And that's what we're trying to find it, because right now you can see the momentum is developed bullish. So these are the levels we are looking here. You can see here price respected this level previously. You can see here respected here. So if the price going to break, probably going to be taking a long here. And we have another wedge has been developed. This system also help. You can see this light magenta line. These are the automated lines, which does also help other traders. Safest trade would be if the price going to develop another pullback here, or if the price going to break, and if the price break and retest. So that's what exactly we're looking into it. And we'll keep you updated tomorrow about dollar CAD. All right, guys, so now you have seen it. We had a beautiful analysis. Most of the other pairs you can see here. Such a nice, amazing trades we had it. Let me share with you quickly a few of them, and then if I click say today, you can see that's a pretty straightforward pound yen breakout short trade. Beautiful pound dollar. This was the analysis last night. Another one beautiful breakout short trade here. Kiwi dollar breakout short trade here. Dollar CAD breakout long, pullback long, and dollar Swiss franc. We had such a nice beautiful long trade here. Pound yen beautiful breakout long trade here. Pound dollar counter long trade, short trade, pound yen short trade, pullback dollar CAD, dollar pound Swiss franc beautiful breakout long trade here. We were expecting the price might gonna break this level. As you can see, momentum developed bullish, beautiful long trade. And dollar yen all pullbacks this morning. Pound yen pretty straightforward breakout counter short trade here. Pound Swiss franc counter short trade here. Aussie dollar, we had such a beautiful breakout, and after breakout pullback long trade here. And pound euro pound pretty straightforward. You can see the breakout after the breakout long trade here. So you can see there's a lot of analysis, guys, but if you would like to see all that analysis in real time alongside with the 4-hour analysis with the live audio commentary support, even if you don't have a forex trading experience, we also provide full forex coaching and training. through live intraday analysis, and you can practice it in live, and then we can coach you and guide you. So for example, let's say I'll just do this analysis, 3 analysis pound dollar. Let me make show you again just to give you information how it works. So let's suppose if you are as a taken as a coaching and training program. So that's the live analysis. This is the live analysis screenshot, and this is the live market. So you can also follow by just plotting all these lines here, and when the market comes this level, and you can also practice it here within the platform, and we'll give you feedback all of your trades, all of your decisions, and that's why we coach and train with the live market. And once you develop a very good skill, entries and exit, banking good pips, we also arrange funds for you to trade. That's what exactly we basically help our traders with the live market. So even if you are struggling it, I'm pretty sure you can develop your trading skills. Or even if you are an experienced trader, this is all price action. As I mentioned you that even a experienced trader, you can also share your ideas. You can also ask a second opinion because we also analyze 4 hours, as I mentioned you. Based on that, we use intraday system to refine our entries and exit, but technically we trade based on the 4 hour bias. And if you want to be a part of my team, most welcome. And thank you for watching this video, and have a nice evening and stay blessed, and I'll see you tomorrow with another analysis. All the best.